Hey guys, Natur here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we are going to try some black-owned hair care. I ordered from the Naturall Club, Naturall Club, and it's basically like a subscription box service, but you could also just do one-time purchases of the hair care. So I'll show you guys what I got. It is a seriously big box. But this is everything I ordered. There's a little drama with this order. I bought one of their detangling brushes, that's upside down, one of their detangling brushes, as well as their hair clips. I didn't realize at the time that I placed the order that they actually had a promotion where if you spent a minimum amount, you'd also get a detangling brush and clips for free. So I have 2 sets of clips and I don't even know if I can pick them up, 2 detangling brushes. But aside from that, I'm really excited to try this stuff. I'll link everything that I did purchase down below. But again, it is a subscription-based box. So the nice thing about that with hair products specifically is you run out of hair products. And if you like them, you wanna make sure you're never without. So you basically can just pay for a subscription and every couple months, they'll make sure that you are re-upped. You do get to select, I think, the time frame as to when you can get your next box, whether it's every 2 months or every 4 months, depending on like, you know, how often you use your hair products or how often you go through them. So I'm excited to get into this. If you want to watch me get into some natural hair care using my dry ass hair that's happening right now, then please be sure that you just keep watching, but also scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Natur gang, and let's get into this video. So I basically co-wash my hair every day. I did not do it today because I knew I wanted to film this, so I have not touched it. But this is what my hair looks like a day after wash. I always just wash it and put it up in a bun. Let's go into the bathroom. I'm gonna try and get set up in there. My shower walls and door are glass, so they end up fogging up a lot. So I don't know how I'm gonna set this up, but I'm gonna try my best to have you guys in there in the mix so you can see what's happening. So let's go try and get set up and get into this. So what I really love about this the most is everything is a full-size product. Like nothing I've gotten has been small, except for maybe the oil, but like you don't need like huge gallons of oil. So I'm totally fine with it. I'm totally happy with everything. I just kind of unpacked. So I'm gonna show you guys what I can as to what I'm gonna use in the shower or at this stage in like the wash routine. The conditioner doesn't have as much like slick as I'd like it to. I'm sure that's because it has a whole bunch of good stuff in there. But like usually when I use like my drugstore conditioners, it just like glides all over my hair. So that's the only thing. If you like a slippery conditioner, this is not it, baby. I will try to use this though. Not my hair. My hair says no. Stop. I just wish this had better grip. I find myself not wanting to hold it like this, and I'm holding it like this because I feel like I can't get a good grip on it. That's how much hair came out, which is normal for me when I'm in the shower. Not that bad. Hair looks good, hair popping. Grass is popping. Zit is popping. Now time for the ice cream treatment. It is a bright green, and I'm scared. It does say to use like once every 2 weeks. but this is not resealable, so keep that in mind. Ew, it's lumpy. I don't know if that's from the travel, if that's good, if that's how it's supposed to be, but it's lumpy in here, y'all. It smells so good. Like everything has this candy smell. You'll see it, like United Textures up in here. How my hair is built. Like look at this. And then look at this. Side by side, right next to each other. No respect. I tried to save as much of the ice cream treatment as possible so I could use it another time. So for now, I'm just gonna put this in a bun and finish showering, and I'll cover it in a cap on my way out. And then we'll meet up again in about like 20 or 40 minutes, it says to leave it on, so in about that. So I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. This is what I'm working with. My hair feels so clean, like stupid clean. It feels light too, like my hair feels lighter, which is weird. Like it feels like it's not on my head. So it's very interesting, very, very soft. And it doesn't have that squeaky feeling. Like I hate when products make my hair feel squeaky. Let's put this in quadrants like the instructions recommend. The clips feel like nice and strong. They don't feel like they're gonna break or anything like that. So that's always a plus. Then you go in with the leave-in conditioner. Oh, there's a little, I didn't even know they had these. Sorry, I'm so impressed with everything. So like, if you look at the tip, there's like a seal, like everything's been sealed packaging wise, like really good. Oh, that's rich. Just to avoid having to do like each section over and over again, I'm just gonna get into the moisturizer on this section. Oh, the custard is custard. That is an interesting texture. Like it just, look at that. Wow, it melts into the hair. Oh my goodness. Probably took way too much, but whatever. Right here, like you see them curls, baby? Like, okay. And you can already see the difference between fresh washed and ready for wash and go. If your hair is dry, been dying to use this. I mean, I don't know if it's like I trust a wash and go. Like I've never been that person. And like just seeing the product in my hair, I still don't trust it. Like I just feel like my hair's gonna dry and I'm gonna have just all these like white crusties in my hair, you know? Because I did too much. But like, my hair feels great. I don't know if I trust this as like a styling method, than just like great hair care, if that makes sense. Because I feel like my curls are defined, but they're not defined enough that I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna walk outside and just have faith that this is gonna do what it's supposed to do in like an hour. Like, you see what I mean? Like, they look good because the front of my hair is usually very, very straight. So this is great for curl definition. The back, I probably need a trim, which is why they're not popping as much as they should be, but I just mean I don't have the faith in a wash and go like that. I think I did it. I think my first wash and go was successful. I think it looks cute or whatever. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to end here for now. And if anything, if I have any updates, I will come back tomorrow and I will let you guys know my thoughts tomorrow after I've slept on it and after it's dried, and we'll go from there. So this is what my hair's looking like second day, day 2. I don't think that this is bad. I think though, these are my thoughts. it is greasy. Not my hair is greasy, but like you're obviously using oil. So like I just will like fluff my hair or touch my hair because that's what I do. I'm that person that has their hands in their hair and on their face all day. So for me, I usually won't wear my hair down. And what I'm noticing is because my hair is down and it's greasy, is the grease is getting all over this. So that is something to note, that it's good because the style stayed. Like all I did, guys, was honestly put a like head wrap on, and I had this lay flat, and then this morning I just fluffed it up. That was it. And you have a wash and go fro. I just think I'm uncomfortable walking around with an afro, and that's the reality of it. But when I look at it, like my hair looks healthy, my hair looks full. It doesn't look crazy. It's just the grease. Like you can't, look at my hands. You can't touch your hair, and then you have it, like if your hair falls in your face like how mine falls in my face, then you're just not gonna have a good day because this is what you're dealing with. I think two other things. One, I think my hair should be way more wet. I think the whole doing the treatment kind of put a block in the results that I could have achieved if my hair was more wet. One, I wouldn't get all these like flakies. Like if you zoom in to my hair, you can see that there is a little bit of crusting from one of the products. I'm not sure which one, but if my hair was more wet, it might have absorbed that. And two, if this was like the summer where I would just be going outside with wet hair with all these products, it probably would have dried way more better. But because I had used the blow dryer and then I went to sleep, I think that the results just weren't the best. But again, this is like a day-to-day kind of situation. On a day-to-day, do you have enough time where your hair is going to get to dry properly? Do you have a hair texture that's going to like the products? These are all things for you to consider, because if I look at the back of my hair that has a looser curl, it like is perfect. No, focus on the curl, yeah. It took the products perfectly. There's no residue on anything back there. Like if you see, it's like super springy. It's great. Like I think if you have a looser curl texture, wonderful. I think my hair feels great as it is. I just think it's not ideal for my hair type, like my overall hair type. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go wash my hair again, because I wash my hair every day anyway, so it's normal for me. I just finished work, so I figured why not. So I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna put it in a bun and see how my hair feels, like how I would normally wear it, because that's how I wear it. Because I'd wash it, leave in conditioner it, and slick it up, and then call it a day. So I'm gonna do that, something more in my speed, more in my routine. And if I have any more thoughts, then I'll come back. Okay, so this is the last time you're gonna see me, I swear. So using the products how I normally use them, which is just wash, condition, go. That's my wash and go. I love it. Like you can see, I still have a good curl definition on the curls I pulled out from my bun. My bun is nice and juicy. My hair looks full. And then I'm sure it'll just, like normal conditioners when I use my Aussie one, will just dry normally, which I look forward to. My hair still feels really soft. I think the whole wash and go routine was a lot for me. What my fear is all the time with wash and goes, which is why I've been so hesitant to try them in the past, is that as time goes on, it does not look the same. Whereas when I can rely on the bun doesn't change. My hair doesn't change. It looks like this. Consistency. That's what I'm looking for at the end of the day. So I think all in all, if you use the products how you normally use your products, you're good. And if you have a softer curl pattern, you're also good. Your hair will probably love these products. But for me, because the majority of my hair is 4B-ish, there's a mix in there, I think that it's just not practical for the wash and go per se. Again, unless I'm willing to devote the day. I'd have to devote the day, and I usually don't have that kind of time. So final thoughts, really good products, really solid lineup. However, do I 100% recommend the wash and go for my 4B gals? Not 100%, just because by the time we sit down, go in the car, the back of your head smushed, it's gonna get dry. It's just not gonna be what you want it to be. But that's just, I think, a wash and go problem that we have, not necessarily a problem with these products. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. So finally, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.